Hello everyone, it's Eileen from the Web Design and Development Degree Program here at Full Sail University. Here are my steps to prototype. Step 1, Mind Map, which was the brainstorming stage. This allowed me to visually structure my ideas to help me figure out what is needed for my team management application prototype. Step 2, Sketches, which allowed me to explore design concepts on paper before going to the computer. Step 3, Wireframes, which are simple black and white layouts that outlines the specific size and placement of page elements, app features, and navigation for the app. Step 4, Style Guide, which sets the standards for the app like color, font, patterns, and icons. Step 5, Prototype. Let's take a look at a quick video on the team management prototype. Here is the login page, the customizable home page, the menu bar, the menu list, the roster, player info, the back arrow button, back to the menu list. Now let's take a look at the statistics. Let's click on the game stats, then the player stats. Now back to the home page. So what's next after building my prototype? It was time for user testing and feedback. I provided the prototype over to my initial users, which was Kyle Belidio, volleyball coach, and Carrie Hughes, mother of a youth softball player, and also 2 additional users. First test I did was a navigation test that had 3 steps to follow. Click on the login button, click on the menu bar, select and click the roster. The users had no problem with navigating accordingly, as you can see. Here are some examples of the heat maps, of which the targeted navigation is where it's expected. Second test I did was to carry out tasks. Users were provided 2 options, and they were: click the login button, hit the menu bar's icon, locate roster from the menu list and click it, click on Jenna Gray, hit the back arrow button. Or click the login button, hit the menu bar's icon, locate statistics from the menu list and click it. Click on the game stats or player stats and hit the back arrow button. The users found it pretty easy to complete the tasks, but one of the users stated that there was no way for them to just click outside of the menu sidebar without having to select something from the menu. These 2 tests also provided users the opportunity to give me feedback. Here is Kyle's feedback. It was very easy to navigate. Logo is eye-catching. The O in collab looked like a ball, which he found was very clever. It delivers all features he is looking for and excited to see the full works of the statistics feature. Overall design was simple and modern. Here is Carrie's feedback. Navigation was intuitive, color theme is fun and sleek, and also relatable to sports. Context and content fulfilled with the concept of centralized solution, which will be a time saver. Overall design was minimalistic and fun. Here is user number 3's feedback. Player info page should make clear separation between fields like position, phone, etc., and its values. Maybe bold the fields to differentiate them from the values and left a line. The donut graph in statistics doesn't represent wins versus losses well. Losses should be more of a dull color and not bright green. Back button looks stretched and not shaped well. Overall design is neat and lots of fun. Here is user number 4's feedback. I'd use a lighter typeface on the sidebar menu. Maybe a bit more space between the icons and the text in the menu items. Nicely done on the blurred background on the pages. Overall design is very clear and organized. These user testing and feedbacks were very integral to further enhancing my app. I've taken them all in and made the necessary changes. Let's take a look at some before and after. Here's the before and after for the menu bar. I spaced out the icons and menu items a bit more, so to not have such a condensed look. I also made the typeface lighter, and users are now able to click anywhere outside of the menu bar to return to the home page. Here is the before and after for the player info page. I changed the back button icon. Player name is now bold and centered, and I left aligned the data fields with a bold typeface, while values have a lighter typeface. Here is the before and after for the game stats page. This too, the back buttons have been changed. Donut graph losses is now gray, represent losses so much better. And bar graph points of versus team is now gray, which provides a better distinguishment. I was also provided critique and feedback from 2 course directors. This helped me really enhance the aesthetics and flow of my application. I changed the menu look, more minimal and simple, thus making it look clean and more readable. It makes the contrast so much better. I changed the player info page. I chose a card style instead. I also added direct links to the player's statistics and to be able to message. I changed the statistics page. I changed the volleyball icon to a real volleyball image. I also added more visual data so that it makes more sense. The statistics page will be customizable according to what sports it is, so visual info will change accordingly, but graphs used will pretty much be similar to what you see currently. Here is also a quick look at the other pages I updated or changed. There is more work to be done, but glad I was able to enhance my app already. Thank you all for watching.